Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Volkswagen Golf 1.6 TDI ASR 7.5 that we have on sale. This is the new model with the new style front grille. The adaptive cruise now is incorporated into the VW badge. This particular model's got front and rear parking sensors. It's got the 17-inch Madrid alloy wheels. It's in excellent condition. It's been really well looked after. Obviously it's a car that's registered to the dealership, so it's as you'd expect with regards to condition wise. It's currently been used as one of the sales lads' cars, so it will have more miles on it. So please make sure when you do inquire you ask what the mileage is, and we'll be able to verify it. But on the inside you've got the new style radio, which I'll just get in and show you. So it's all touchscreen, but just a lot clearer and sharper, as you can see. And obviously you've got your flat bottom leather steering wheel, you've got your automatic headlights, also dimming rear view mirror, and rain sensor windscreen wipers. So if you're in the market for a new shape Golf and like the look of this, then pick the phone up, ask for Phil in sales, and hopefully we can chat further about it. Hope you enjoyed the video.